Hi guys, welcome to Computer Tech Videos. Today I am going to show you how to install DHCP and how to configure DHCP scopes and how does reservations work and all that. To start with, we'll just log into our 2012 server and we will go to manage, add roles. So first thing we're going to do, we will install DHCP Role. So we'll go on role-based features, based installation, and we will highlight the server and go next. We will go click DHCP server, add the feature. Go next. We'll go next here. We'll go next. Restart the server if required, and we'll go ahead and install it. I'll just now it's all installed. Now we will go ahead and complete our DHCP configuration. We'll go next here. Use the following users' credentials. Yes, we will go and commit to it, and we will close. Now, if we go to tools, and we can see our DHCP Role is already installed. Now, first thing I'll show you guys is how to create scopes. So we'll go right click on this, we'll create new scope. So we will go scopes for first floor, first floor, and next. Now from here you can go 192.168.11. Let's say we will put from 11 from, let's say we will put from 5 till 168.11 till 200. We'll go next. Add exclusions and delays. Okay. You can add the IP addresses which will be excluded from this range. So let's say we can exclude 192.168. It starts from 5, we can go 50, and exclude from 192.168.11 to, let's say, 60. So these will be removed from the pool. We go next. Next. Yes, next. Now to add an IP address for a router used by the client. Don't have any routers, so but I can use our primary servers and press add. We'll go next. We'll go next here. To configure scoop clients to use DNS server on your network, enter the IP ref of those servers. So for now, we'll just go next. We'll go next. Yes, I want to activate scoop. So the scoop here is all active, up and running. And within the scoop, we can go address. So this is, if you go to address pool, so this is the address pool, this is the exclusion range. So from this pool, these from 50 to 60 IP addresses are excluded, so that means they won't be used. for reservations, we can always add a new reservation. Let's say we want to add a reservation for printer scanner, and we want to put it on 20. And the MAC address can be anything. I'll just write anything for now. Description: first floor brother scanner. Both head. Okay, close. So now you can see this reservation, that this IP address is reserved for that scanner only. So it will, because I haven't put in a right MAC address, so it won't really detect it for now. But if you put the right MAC address, then it will correlate. It will only assign this IP address to that MAC address. And other options are address leases. So how long we can, scope options. You can create policies and all that. So that's how you guys create DHCP scopes and how you install DHCP service on your server. If there is any other problems or any other questions, you guys can email me on the email which I will be going to write down in the description. And please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.